In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends to measure keywords. By the end, you'll know how to check search interest, read the chart, and find related queries you can use for content or campaigns. Start by heading to trends.google.com. This is Google's free tool for seeing what people are searching for over time. On the homepage, click Explore. Explore opens the full dashboard where you can enter keywords and adjust filters. Next, click Add a search term. In the search box, type your keyword. I'll use budget travel as an example. Once it loads, set the location to the country you care about or leave it on worldwide if that fits your audience. Then pick a date range like the past 12 months for a recent view or longer if you want to spot bigger patterns. Finally, confirm the search type by selecting web search so you're looking at standard Google searches for this term. Now you'll see interest over time. This section shows a line chart with values from 0 to 100. It doesn't represent exact search volume. It's an index of popularity, with 100 marking the peak interest within the time frame you chose. Look for peaks and dips. Peaks can signal seasonal demand or viral moments, while steady lines indicate consistent interest. A flat zero usually means not enough data in that region or time period, not necessarily zero searches. Take a moment to read the graph carefully. Hovering over points on the line will show specific dates and the relative interest on those days. If you change the time range, notice how the shape of the curve can reveal long-term trends versus short-lived spikes. This helps you decide when to publish content, launch ads, or plan promotions. Scroll down to see commonly searched queries related to your term. These are the phrases people also look for when they search your keyword, which can uncover angles you might have missed. You'll also see top queries. These are the most popular related searches overall in your selected region and time frame. Use them to prioritize high-interest topics, headings, or FAQs that match what users consistently want. Right beside that is rising queries. These highlight searches that are growing quickly right now. If you spot breakout, it usually means dramatic growth from a very low baseline. Rising queries are great for catching trends early and producing timely content before competition increases. That's it. Go to Google Trends, explore your keyword, adjust the filters to match your market and time frame, study the interest over time, and mine the top and rising queries for strong, data-backed ideas.